Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn Dinka to English words. These are parts of human body. So let us begin from one. One, tok. Tok mean mouth. Liep, liep, liep mean tongue. Nyar, nyar is nya, a, ara. Nyar, nyar mean gum. Lich, lich mean teeth. Womb, womb, womb mean nose. Nhìn, nhìn, nhìn mean eye. Num, num, num mean head. Niêm, niêm mean hair. Neem, neem, neem mean heads. Nhịp, nhịp, nhịp mean brain. Brain, brain is called nhịp in Dinka language. Yet, yet, ya, etta. Yet mean neck. Gwang, gwang, gwang is like ga, u, nga. Ga, u, nga. Gwang, gwang mean chest. Yach, yach, yach mean stomach. Sheen, sheen, sheen mean intestine. Rook, rook, rook mean kidney. Twang, twang, twang mean liver. Po, po, po mean heart. Yok, 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 yok mean spleen. Luet, luet, luet mean saliva. Cow, cow, ka, o, u, cow. Cow mean back. Deer, deer, deer mean leg. Nyal, nyal, nyal mean knee. Chin, chin, chin mean hand. Angwim, angwim, a, nga, u, im, ma. Angwim, angwim mean buttock. Buttock, angwim. Amok, amok, amok mean anus. Ator, ator, ator mean mucus. Lap, lap, la, a, apa. Lap, lap mean placenta. Cor, cor, cor mean elbow. Elbow, cor. Kit, kit, kit mean shoulder. Angum, angum, a, nga, u, ma. Angum, angum mean waist. Cook, 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 cook mean arm. Ryup, ryup, ryup mean fingernail. Fingernail. Chok, chok, chok mean foot. Chok bundit, chok bundit, chok bundit mean toenail. Toenail or thumbnail. Chin bundit, chin bundit, chin bundit mean thumb. Thumb. Yit, yit, yit mean ear. Arm, arm. This is hammer. Arm mean thigh. Choknim. Choknim mean toys. Yum. Yum mean skeletons. Yuam. Yuam. Yuam mean bone. Roll. A roll. A roll mean osophagus. Osophagus. A roll. Agolong. 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 Aga o la onga. Agolong mean gallbladder. Gallbladder. Ral. Ral. Ral mean vein. Del. Del. Del mean skin. Skin in Dinka language is called del. Guop. Guop. Guop in Dinka mean body. Allege. Allege. Allege mean urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Twin. Twin. Twin mean breast. Twin. Breast. Rot. Rot. Ra or hot. Rot. Rot mean armpit. Chinter. Chinter. Chinter mean little finger. Chinter. Num nyin. Num nyin. Num nyin mean eyebrow. Num nyin. Okay, now this is your work. Throat. Throat mean what in Dinka? Write it for me. Pancreas. Pancreas mean what in Dinka? Write it for me. Trachea, also called windpipe, is called what in Dinka language? Write it for me. Aliek. Aliek. Aliek is a Dinka word. It mean what? Write it for me in English. Aliek. Yenakan. The end. By William Majak Malekdeng. Dupyot Itongjang. Please follow for more videos. Follow my TikTok. The name of my TikTok is called Learn Dinka with Majak. Facebook page is called Dinka Awil Dialogue. Go there and follow us in Facebook page. Also, go to YouTube. The channel name is called Dinka English TV5. Please subscribe there. Also, like and share our video. This is the end. These are all parts of human bodies. Bye bye. Ayan William Majak Malek Ding. Dornali kawit kuyania. Bukaban yok next lesson.